I'm Janice Mackey-Freyer at the hospital, where crowds erupted, cheering the final ambulance's arrival. The 12 boys and their coach in good health, doctors say. 2 have minor lung infections. All will be quarantined for up to a week because of high risk of illness. Their families can see them through windows, but not touch them. Some have spoken on the phone. In 48 hours, the boys' families can visit in gloves and gowns, but keep their distance.
They're quarantining them for a couple reasons. One is so these children don't spread any disease to anybody else, because we really don't have that much data on what happens inside a cave when there's children there for weeks on end.
The dangers, mainly diseases transmitted by bats and fungal infections from soil or water. And after days in the dark, all of them are wearing sunglasses around the hospital to protect their eyes. These kids are soccer players and are healthy and strong. They have high immune systems, said doctors. Psychologists say they're in good mental health, but could face challenges like anxiety or depression. The 25-year-old coach, a former novice monk, credited with keeping the boys alive. For the most part now, they're just really hungry. Each of the boys down 5 pounds. They're stuck eating bland food for now, but asked doctors for chocolate, a wish that was granted. Janice Mackey-Freyer, NBC News, Chiang Rai, Thailand.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here, and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.